Сегодня, видя, что мы не сломлены, они нанесли удары, ракетные удары по нашим тыловым лагерям.
The moment that was hanging in the air for a while has finally happened. Civil war started in Russia between the mercenary group Wagner and the regular Russian army. The leader of Wagner, Yevgeny Prigozhin, claims that Russian military carried out a missile strike at Wagner rear camps. He added that the Russian army launched rocket attacks on Wagner military base and a huge number of soldiers died. We will decide how we will respond to this atrocity, he said. The next step is ours. Prigozhin continued with his rant. The evil that the military leadership of Russia must be stopped. I ask no one to resist. Anyone who tries to resist, we will destroy. Justice for the troops will be restored, and after that, justice for all of Russia. He stated that the Russian Minister of Defense, Shoigu, runs away like a grandmother. This animal must be stopped.
Погибали на Бахмуте, защищая честь России и российской армии. Нас подло обманули и пытались лишить возможности защищать свои дома и разогнать ЧВК «Вагнер». Мы были готовы пойти на уступки Минобороны, сдать оружие и найти решение, как мы будем дальше защищать свою страну. Но эти мрази, они не успокоились. Сегодня, видя, что мы не сломлены, они нанесли удары, ракетные удары по нашим тыловым лагерям. Погибло огромное количество наших бойцов, наших боевых товарищей. Мы примем решение, как ответим на это злодеяние. Следующий шаг за нами.
Russian channel Don't Stop War reports that a 30 miles long Wagner column has crossed the Novoshakhtinskaya border checkpoint into Russia, reportedly heading for Novocherkassk, towards Rostov-on-Don. The column itself has not yet been visually confirmed. Another video from Rostov. Baza reports that there are helicopters over the city too. On the highway, Moscow-Voronezh-Rostov-on-Don, the FSB, with the support of special forces, have begun putting roadblocks. Those on duty are ordered to open fire in case of a threat. The Rubicon has been crossed. According to the Russian regime media RIA, the FSB has opened a criminal case against Prigozhin for calling an armed rebellion. Peskov also announces that Putin has been informed. There is no coming back from this. Somebody is going to lose his head. Oman riot police have surrounded Wagner PMC headquarters in Molchino. Wagner troops have taken defensive positions. Helicopter armed with Gatling guns dispatched to the area. This base is shared with GRU 10th Separate Special Purpose Brigade. Guess which side they're on. Putin must eliminate Wagner PMC and Prigozhin, said Russian Lieutenant General Viktor Sobolev. Well, what do you think? A rebellion has been declared against the army that is fighting, Russian MP believes. He said that the outcome of events depends on the Russian president's decisions. Wagner Group fighters have been saying goodbye to their relatives over the past 24 hours and telling them to watch the TV news, which suggests that they may have had advance notice of today's dramatic events with Yevgeny Prigozhin. Verstka reports that worried relatives are saying in Wagner-related chat rooms that their loved ones have called and said goodbye in the last 24 hours and told them to watch for what the TV channel Rossiya 24 has to say. Chat participant Elena Kigaleva says, "Yesterday many guys called and conditionally said goodbye. Many said watch the news. Multiple participants say they can't reach their Wagner men."
Добро пожаловать, да? В тыловую зону.
There is panic in the Russian presidential administration. They do not exclude the scenario of the start of a civil war, says a source close to the administration. Russian Volunteer Corps leader Denis White Rex Nikitin calls Prigozhin a real Russian patriot, without irony, during Prigozhin's attempt to overthrow the Russian military. This is known from a statement published by Nikitin on the RDK Telegram channel. RDK is considered to be a part of the Ukrainian GUR and is known for raids into Russian territory. Terrorist Gherkin Strelkov. If Putin doesn't intervene in the situation, the front will collapse and we will be defeated. If the situation does not change, the armed forces of Ukraine will take over Crimea and enter Russian territory. It is extremely important to understand whether there is a supreme commander-in-chief in the country. If the Ministry of Defense has indeed attacked Wagner's positions, then the rebellion has been started by the country's military leadership, not by Prigozhin. And Prigozhin continued. To be honest, this is a definition of coup.
Принял решение. Зло, которое несет военное руководство страны, должно быть остановлено. Они пренебрегают жизнями солдат. Они забыли слово «справедливость», и мы вернем ее. Поэтому те, кто уничтожили сегодня наших парней, те, кто уничтожили десятки, многие десятки тысяч жизней русских солдат, будут наказаны. Я прошу никому не оказывать сопротивления. Все, кто будут пытаться оказать это сопротивление, мы будем считать, что это угроза, и уничтожать немедленно, включая любые блокпосты, вставшие на нашем пути, любую авиацию, которую увидим над своими головами. Я прошу всех сохранять спокойствие, не поддаваться на провокации, оставаться в своих домах, желательно по маршруту нашего следования не выходить на улицу. После того, как мы закончим начатое, мы вернемся на фронт для защиты нашей Родины. Президентская власть, правительство, МВД, Росгвардия и другие структуры будут работать дальше в привычном порядке. Мы разберемся с теми, кто уничтожает русских солдат, и вернемся на фронт. Справедливость в войсках будет восстановлена, а после этого справедливость для всей России.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.